What's up, brewing peeps? Brewing Daddy back, and it's been a little while, but we have rested ourselves, recovered, just came back from a cruise, went down to the Western Caribbean on Carnival Pride and enjoyed a 7-day cruise to Roatan, Belize, Cozumel, and also Grand Cayman. Awesome cruise, enjoyed a lot of beers, posted a lot of pictures. Hope you enjoyed looking at them. And speaking of beers, we're enjoying a nice citrus wheat. Unfortunately, this is not one of our brews. This is a store-bought, but hey, it's better than nothing. I'm completely out of stock, which brings us to the stack of beer recipes right here. So what we got here is Craft Brew. One of our viewers suggested we brew these, so we're going to do it, and we're starting it up today. It is January 2nd. Happy New Year to everybody. And welcome to Brewing Daddy season number 3. So what we got here, we have, and I'm just going to read off the packing list here because I cannot remember all of these. We got an orange golden ale. We got a Florida Weiss, I believe is how you pronounce that. We got a hoppy wheat beer. If I pronounce that wrong, let me know. We got a light craft lager. We got an Oktoberfest ale. We got a Hefeweizen beer, that's definitely German. And we have an American Pale Ale, a steam beer, and we also bought a package. The Craft Brew people do not include your fizz drops in the kits, so you have to buy those separately. But we got the Mangrove Jacks fizz drops. This is also recommended to us by one of our viewers. Thank you so much. We had a lot of old fizz drops, but decided to just start new with everything. It's been a while. It's actually been quite a few months since we brewed, so we didn't want to use anything old and start off fresh. Today I've been cleaning up all my equipment. Oh my gosh, I can tell it's been a while since I brewed because I had to clean my fermenters. They actually were pretty filthy. Clean my brewing pot and everything else. I was going to do a 5-gallon batch today, but when I opened it up, I realized, oh no, the yeast was expired. It's an old Northern Brewer recipe. And as I was reading the instructions, I realized that I was supposed to refrigerate the yeast when I got it. And I've had that beer recipe for about a year. So I'm throwing away the yeast. I'm gonna buy a new packet of yeast. I think the rest of the ingredients will be okay. It's a Northern Brewer Kolsch recipe, a 5-gallon hybrid Kolsch. It's a dry malt and then a liquid malt extract as well, combination. I don't think I've ever brewed one of those, but we are going to do that one. I just got to buy some more fizz drops because I have barely enough to do maybe half of these, and then I'm going to have to buy some more for the remaining ones, and also I'm going to need some for the 5-gallon. I'm going to bottle that 5-gallon. I'm not kegging it, so it's going to be a lot of bottles of beer, but I have a lot of bottles, so no worries there. Okay, for our very first recipe, we're going to do the orange ale. I think that's our best. I want something that's kind of light and reminds me of summer. So I'm going to start off with that one. We're going to do the orange golden ale. We'll start with it first, and we'll move on from there. But anyways, check out brewingdaddy.com. Hit the like button, subscribe. You know the routine. And also, enjoy yourself, have a brew, and peace out.